I'm Ashwini Valtikar. Currently, I'm working as a Chief Manager with IBM Business Unit. I have been with Persistent since 2004, and so far the journey has been very enriching and rewarding for me at Persistent. What encouraged me to join Persistent? I would narrate my entire story. Around 2002, I kind of submitted my profile at Persistent. So I was interviewed for around 3 rounds wherein I got rejected. For me, it was a failure because during that time, or now also you can say, Persistent being a dream company, I wanted to make it by hook or crook. So I prepared myself to such an extent. I took around 2 years, prepared myself, again reapplied and got through the process, and finally I was at Persistent in my dream company. And till now I am here. Persistent undoubtedly is a unique workplace to work with. So first thing I would say, it embraces continuous learning and development of individual. It gives freedom to innovate and share your ideas across all platforms. And another thing is basically it has a perfect work-life integration, and it promotes diversity and inclusion, which helps you showcase support, and of course the power of opportunities at Persistent is you name it and you have the opportunities. So that's very unique about opportunity, and for me it's a second home. It has been and is offering me the required warmth and support. From starting since 2004 till now, the sense of belonging has gone on the higher side, and that's why I'm here, and I'll be completing 20 years in the month of September. So I started my career at Persistent as a junior software engineer, and now I'm serving as a chief manager. Through this journey, I have transitioned myself into various roles, right from a software engineer, lead to a project manager. Around 4 years back, I joined the Aspire, which is the Women Empowerment Leadership Program at Persistent, which have been a transformative program for me. It helped me conquer my fears, seize bigger opportunities, and excel my overall personalities. As a result, I confidently transitioned myself into a larger program management role, tackling complex projects at ease. Through Aspire, I kind of connected with like-minded people who stand like a rock with me all the time. The culture of diversity and inclusion at Persistent is not just for the sake of practicing it, but it's in our DNA. Persistent provides equal opportunities to all its employees. It's up to individuals to come ahead, grab those opportunities, grow their career, and help achieve organization goals. See beyond, rise above, unleash your full potential, and join Persistent.